Visit us on onestepenglish.education. Lesson 15. Past tense regular verbs. Add D. Let's learn English.
We use the past tense of the verb when the action has been done.
To form the past tense of common regular verbs ending in E, we add D to the present form.
Home.
Bake. Baked.
Home.
Move. Moved.
Home.
Arrive. Arrived.
Home.
Receive. Received.
Home.
Change. Changed.
Home.
Taste. Tasted.
School.
Complete. Completed.
School.
Raise. Raised.
We use the past tense of the verb when the action has been done.
To form the past tense of common regular verbs ending in E, we add D to the present form. Smile.
Smiled.
We can use the time expressions yesterday, last night, last week to show action in the past. Today.
Yesterday. Tonight.
Last night.
This week.
Last week.
Practice your English. Say it. Repeat it. My mom baked a delicious cake for the family last Sunday.
My mom baked a delicious cake for the family last Sunday.
Our table was moved to the living room last night so we can use it.
Our table was moved to the living room last night so we can use it.
My dad received a letter from his old friend months ago.
My dad received a letter from his old friend months ago.
A special package from my grandmother arrived in our home last Wednesday.
A special package from my grandmother arrived in our home last Wednesday.
Betty changed her bedsheet yesterday afternoon.
Betty changed her bedsheet yesterday afternoon.
I tasted Mom's cake last Sunday and it was good.
I tasted Mom's cake last Sunday and it was good.
I completed my schoolwork last week.
I completed my schoolwork last week.
I raised my hand yesterday to answer the teacher's question.
I raised my hand yesterday to answer the teacher's question.
The new student in our class smiled at me when he saw me in the hallway a few minutes ago.
The new student in our class smiled at me when he saw me in the hallway a few minutes ago.
The teacher greeted us early in the morning yesterday.
The teacher greeted us early in the morning yesterday.
Let's apply your knowledge.
Quiz number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper. Are
You.
ready?
Write the past tense of the following regular verbs.
1. Admire.
2. Advise.
3. Agree.
4. Amuse.
5. Announce.
6. Appreciate.
7. Approve.
8. Bake.
9. Bathe.
10. Escape.
Here are the answers.
1. Admire. Admired.
2. Advise. Advised.
3. Agree. Agreed.
4. Amuse. Amused.
5. Announce. Announced.
6. Appreciate. Appreciated.
7. Approve. Approved.
8. Bake. Baked.
9. Bathe. Bathed.
10. Escape. Escaped.
Quiz number 2.
Part 1.
Ready your pencil and paper. Are
You.
ready?
Complete the sentences with the past tense of the regular verbs in brackets.
Number 1. Breana. Her grandmother 5 days ago. Number 1. Breana phoned her grandmother 5 days ago.
Number 2. The teacher. 15 minutes ago. Number 2. The teacher arrived 15 minutes ago.
Number 3. The children. A closing party last year. Number 3. The children organized a closing party last year.
Number 4. The students. Their books after the lesson. Number 4. The students closed their books after the lesson.
Number 5. JC. His friends and classmates to his birthday party. Number 5. JC invited his friends and classmates to his birthday party.
Number 6. Sabrina. At the party last night. Number 6. Sabrina danced at the party last night.
Number 7. You. In Australia. Number 7. You lived in Australia.
Number 8. Dad. Our playtime yesterday. Number 8. Dad escaped our playtime yesterday. Number 9. Divine. Her locker last week. Number 9. Divine changed her locker last week.
10. Andrew. Cookies for Anna's birthday. Andrew baked cookies for Anna's birthday.
Quiz number 2.
Part 2.
Ready your pencil and paper. R.
You.
Ready.
Fill in the blank with a regular verb from the word bank.
Number 1. These poems were read and by many people.
Number 2. Charmaine had the biggest smile when she heard her name as the winner.
Number 3. Tom is by his teacher for his good works.
Number 4. Gio's birthday is on the 8th of July.
Number 5. The women are for their beauty.
Here are the answers.
Number 1. These poems were read and admired by many people.
Number 2. Charmaine had the biggest smile when she heard her name announced as the winner.
Number 3. Tom is praised by his teacher for his good works.
Number 4. Gio's birthday is celebrated on the 8th of July.
Number 5. The women are noted for their beauty.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.education.